So most of you are asking, can we participate in the Technical Scripter 2026 now? As you already know that the event started on 27th itself and we are in 31st January 2026. So can I participate now and win the swags? So the answer is yes. And how to participate? All things will cover in detail. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. So here you must be knowing about the Technical Scripter. Here what we have to do, we have to simply post. Here are 10 categories. You can post up to 3 categories per day. Okay, you can just switch over here and interchange also. Like you can post one category, one work experience, after that puzzle, tech news. Multiple categories are there. You can post 3 posts a day. You'll be getting swags. Now which categories? There are multiple categories, but I'm talking about the category which will give you 100% sure, means 100% sure of the swags. So it is the posting streaks reward. Okay. So if you keep posting for 15 days, you'll be getting a GfG t-shirt and 500 rupees. Now why I'm not saying 30 days, because you know that the event started already in the 27th of January. So we are already late. And you need to post consistent throughout the 15 days so that you get the t-shirt and the money. So coming to the next thing, some of your queries are that when I try to post over here in the GfG Connect, my posts are not published, and sometimes we get review period also. So what we need to do in that case, you need to do one thing. Suppose if you are sharing your experience and it is not working, then what you can do, you can just share your thoughts. If your thoughts are not working, then write an article. So you have to interchange and try again and again, because sometimes what happens, there is some issues going on, or sometimes you by mistake you make some other words which are banned in the community. So you can try to refine your content and just try to post it again. Coming to the next query, if you're interested in Google Cloud Arcade, how to participate in this program, I have attached the link in the description. Do check it out and do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you still have any doubts, so let me in the comment section. This was a quick update, and do not worry if you are getting any kind of error, you can just start doing from now. And for all of you, I have created a separate Telegram group where you can just post and help each other. So do check in the description box. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.